This was just supposed to be an engine swap, but now we're going into painting the engine bay. And we were talking about this is only going to take us 2 days. So this is what it looks like. Oh my God. We have a big issue too.
Yep.
Day 2. It is, we went to sleep at 3 a.m.
Woke up at 11.
Woke up at 11. Thought we were going to wake up at 7.
Yeah.
But we're back on the second motor. What, 1.8?
Yep, 1.8 VBT. You're just sort of disassembling it, taking the power steering pump out.
You get going? You just have bolts laying around. I think that's your part. So do you keep your bracket on it?
This, bro, it comes all the way down to your transmission, like, all the way down to, like, trans and diff. That's my thing with your wiring harness. Really? Yeah, that's all I got. Like, my thing is, because if this, like, your harness, there's something that goes all the way down. Or do you think it splits? It can't split. Where would it split, though? I think it splits. We would have to take it out. Because his doesn't have this. Yeah. Which is what I'm talking about. Because that's just sort of like the car. Yeah, it's a body.
We have a big issue. Yeah, we had to take the dash out. I guess the other engine wiring harness is not the same, and we're trying to find a conversion kit for it, but we cannot find it. I did hit up a wiring harness specialist because we do not want to individually wire. Like, this controls fuel pump, ignition, basically everything. This is the wiring harness that came with the motor. Bam. The car does not just function off of this. It's more wires.
Pull this, wait, never put the dash back in.
Well, that means you'd have no AC, bro.
Okay. It's a soft top.
Oh, yeah.
Bro. So, weight reduction, baby.
So, what? 2-day project turned into a fucking monstrosity. Like, this wiring harness goes way deeper than I thought it did.
Yeah, I was hoping for just to find
Yeah, we were hoping, but no. This is how it's gonna go. Stuck in the city. And we were talking about this is only gonna take us 2 days. Yeah.
But we're getting pretty far.
Yeah, we are. This is far.
Put the new motor in, bolt up.
That's gonna be the easiest part.
Yeah.
It's I think we just fully tuned out the electrical part of it.
Yeah.
We're just gonna throw it in there. But no.
Well, I mean, it was pretty close.
Yeah, it was pretty close. He's gonna do some weight reduction, I guess.
Yeah.
While everything is out.
While we're waiting for responses.
And see where we can find an adapter. Want to throw a turbo kit on this. Alibaba sponsor me so we could throw a turbo on this shit. That'd be so fucking funny. Obviously, the wiring is wiring at the moment. We don't know what to do. But I got his lazy ass to, we're going to wash this engine bay. He wants to paint it white. So, this was just supposed to be an engine swap, but now we're going into painting the engine bay. So we got to take this off,
Which should be pretty easy.
which is going to be very easy, and then wash all of this probably tonight. What time is it? It's like
7.
Yeah,
8.
I know. And these are both of the motors side by side. Yep.
We sort of know what we're doing for the wiring.
Yeah. You want to explain to them what we're doing?
Yeah, basically the chassis harness really just needs a power and a ground. And on this ECU over here, this fucking connector, we just gotta find a pinout, find power and ground here, and then tie it into that. And everything should
work.
Power on and work.
Yeah.
You know?
We're steam cleaning it right now. We were gonna roll it out, but it's currently like 9 or 10. It is late. We're running 2 steam cleaners. I'm about to get started on my steam cleaner, but this is Alex steam cleaning his side. His side already looks great. If we just go over it a couple more times, and just get the grease off and everything. It is 5:54. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Saturday, and tomorrow it.
5:54.
Yeah, no. Oh, wow. It's 10:54. My fault. It's 10:54. And tomorrow it snows, so we have to do the best we can to wash this engine bay and get her painted tomorrow. So we're gonna pull her out. It's very cold, but we're still gonna wash her. We tried our hardest with the steam cleaner, and it did work, but I just don't want us to spray the paint and it all to bubble up just because the small amounts of oil. So we're gonna degrease her, hose her down. We did get the steam cleaning did do a lot of great work. This looks so good. This looks great. He didn't want to clean it at first. But look at that. Look at that. Phone 12:02. We did a lot today. We got in the shop at around like 1 today. She looks fucking beautiful. That thing looks sick. So we are ready to head out the shop and go to fuck to sleep. We already cleaned up the shop and everything, but this thing looks beautiful. That wash was very needed.
Very needed.
Yeah, very. This shit is tough. This is tough. But all right. We both are gonna go to sleep. So I don't know what to say, but we're heading to sleep, boys. YouTube, it is a different day. Last night we got everything prepped for, well, we got it half prepped for paint. Now we just have to mask and all of that, like that. But, it is Sunday. It is currently, let's pull up the phone, 10:41. It's 10:41, and this is what the Miata looks like. We're gonna get her back on her Jenga blocks. We are gonna start masking for paint, and then we are just gonna go ahead and paint. I might throw the thing on a time lapse. Throw the camera on a time lapse, but this is a last look before we mask her up. And then you guys, I'll probably come back when it's all masked up. But the progress has been great for like the amount of work and time that we have. We're limited time, but we are doing the best we can, and it's working. We're going, so actually not disappointed. So we're just gonna paint this bad boy up. We're not painting that. We're just gonna be painting basically just the engine bay and all of that. This front thing right here. We're gonna get her prepped. I'm gonna scuff her up just a little bit. Get some alcohol on there. Make sure the paint is laid out perfectly, and then this thing is gonna look, bro, this shit's gonna look so fucking good. I already like the look of the engine bay now. She's all fucking cleaned up and shit. Now you're not gonna have any more rust, or you're gonna hide the rust with the paint.
Yeah.
Not that they're gonna see root back there, but yeah, it will be all right. But yeah, that's where the Miata's at. We're gonna probably get her up on the block so it can be easier, so I'm not bending over or whatever. But yeah. This is the setup that we are running to paint the car. Paint booth. It's perfect. We are going to get started on painting this bad boy. This is what it looks like before again.
It's all you guys.
Yeah. It's all us. This is crazy. We got the Miata painted. We didn't do like the one layer, wait for a second layer because it was cold. We don't have that much time. So this is what it looks like. Oh my God. This is what she looks like.
Crazy good.
This is like the thick. We got it very thick on there. It looks great. You can see the Freon right there that we didn't clean up. That's fine though. But it looks amazing. This is perfect all around. Oh my God. No, I could sit here all day and just look at it. Look at our hard work. Mm-hmm. Paint is drying. We are done. There's none we could do at this point. So next time you guys probably catch us putting in the engine.
Probably.
Yeah. So we're gonna be putting in the engine, and that's about it. So we are out. Peace, guys.